Hello YouTube, a delivery from Lazada arrived again. This is supposedly a backlight for my bicycle. It's a signal light also as well as a laser light. So let's open it for the first time. So the packaging is quite good because it's enough not to damage the item. So the item is also new. So this is it. So let's open it for the first time. There are accessories here, USB cable, and then a battery, maybe for the controller here. And then the accessory includes zip tie, rubber mat or something to protect the steel from the bike, attachment adapters, another rubber matting. I'm not particularly sure. Maybe quick release screw for attachment, and then rubber sticker. So let's try putting on the battery for the first time. I still don't know how to control this, but I'm just going to have a very nice hinge on how to control this one. So there's a battery compartment. Let me put on my eyeglasses. I cannot see this. Okay, so I have to put the battery maybe like this, and then push. There's okay. I'm done. It's good. Okay. See? Then let's reattach. Oops. There's a groove there. Then let's reattach that. Okay, okay, there's one groove. Okay, there's actually a slot for its reattachment. Okay, this is good. Okay, there's a light. If it's turning there, left and right. What I don't know is how to turn this on. So maybe the push buttons. Okay, that's it. Then the signal lights. I don't know how to turn this on, but there's a power switch here. So let's try it for the first time. Okay, that's good. So how do I know if it is working? Maybe let's try control it. Oops, not yet. No power. Oh, I guess the battery is low. But I've seen this working from another video, and it's quite nice. So I'm going to try to see the battery is already low. I'm going to charge this for the first time later on, and then I'm going to try to use it. Okay, tail light. See, I cannot control it because the battery is low. Anyway, I'm going to make another video